Oh, you better watch out, you better not stray, or wander about on my right-of-way. Santa Claus is coming to town. Hey, that second hand car that I was working on, the Marx one that I repaired the handles on, I made it to a Santa Mrs Claus hand car. I added the figures. I got them from Trainz. They were actually for Lionel handcars, which the Lionel ones are smaller, and so these figures had to be raised up. So I made little platforms for them using the E7 collapse plates, and then I painted them white, and I still wasn't happy with the look of them, so I mixed up some Mod Podge with some fake snow and just painted around them and made it look like they're standing on snow mounds, which really did a lot to improve them. And then I thought I'd add a couple little snowman hobos riding along with them, and I put a wreath on the back on that little pin that's back there. So we'll take them for a spin. Oh, and one more thing I want to mention is I put new brushes in the armature before I did everything else, because I knew I'd be covering up the access screw. So it should run for a really long time, and then before I ever have to take it apart again. So here we go. We'll take it for a spin. I'll lift the camera up so you can see the little wreath on the back. There we go. I'll try to gently put the camera back down. It's a really great running hand car too. It has both pickup shoes on the front and the back. We'll give Santa Mrs Claus one more time around so they can work off some calories for those big holiday meals that are coming up. Alright, this is a really fun project. I'm so happy with the way it came out. I'll zoom in a little bit. And so, don't throw those old hand cars out. As long as the pump arm is intact, you can put new handles in if they're broken off and replace the figures. Lionel makes, I think, Porky and Petunia. I know I've also done the Mickey and Minnie. That was a Hallmark ornaments. And I've seen other figures that will work. I think I've also seen Sylvester and Tweety. So, check it out and paint them up, and thanks again for watching. God bless, and never forget, Jesus is Lord.